Greetings and welcome to Peter's Passion. Is it your first time here? Please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that whenever I'm posting a video, you will be notified. I know some of you are wondering, why is this guy always posting videos while he's in the car driving? It's because I stay in a one room. You know, in South Africa, you can't rent two rooms. You can't rent a full house. So I'm renting a one room, and I have a little girl at home who makes noise even when Daddy is recording. You know, these little ones are so dominant. They are so authoritative that they won't even allow you to have the remote. They won't even allow you to switch off the cartoons. So I don't want to be interrupted while I'm talking to you guys. So my question goes to everyone who's here. But before I do that, before I ask you a question, I want to appreciate you guys for your support. I want to appreciate you for subscribing and like and share these videos so that many people will see these videos as well. So back to the question I wanted to ask. Kindly tell me what brought you here. I want to understand what brought you here, because I don't want to end up in a position where I offend people who are supporting me. What is it that you would like to hear more? What is it that what kind of a content would you like me to create? Help me as I grow. So as we embark on this journey together, I want to make sure that I keep all of you. I won't be happy to see any of you leaving this channel. So I want to make sure I keep you here. And I want to make sure I create content that you will all like, you will all enjoy. So I'm going to give you a clue of who I am. But most of you have watched my story. And if you want to hear more about my story, tell me and I'll let you know. If you have any question about my life, go ahead and ask. I'm here to answer. Are you here to support me because of Shelton and Charmaine? Thank you so much. For those who came here because of Shelton and Charmaine, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. You are so supportive. So what brought you here is my question. So let me give you a little bit of my background. I was a musician, but not a popular one. I was a rapper doing the things of the world. And then I ended up becoming a Christian. So I am a Christian. I'm a recent convert. I know deep mysteries about Christianity. If you are a Christian, I can share with you my life story or how I ended up becoming a Christian. If you are not a Christian, please let me know, why are you not a Christian, so that I will also know why you are not a Christian, so that I will also be enlightened. Maybe you have the truth. Let me know in the comment section why you are not a Christian. And if you are a Christian, tell me that you want to hear more about God, because I can do that better and I can pull up scriptures because I delve deep into the Bible and I know mysteries. So if all of you here are Christians, let me know if we can talk about Jesus here. So if all of you are Christians, let me know so that we can talk about Jesus here. But if there are those who are not Christians, you are welcome. I'll be here. So if you would like to hear more on how I became a Christian, let me know in the comment section and I'll do just that. I'll share with you how I became a Christian. I was doing the things of the world. And if you are not a Christian, share with me, why are you not a Christian? I'm not here to condemn everybody, but I'm here to welcome everybody. Let's share our opinions peacefully, without fighting, without hating each other. Let's share our opinions without provoking each other, without making each other angry. If you are a Muslim, if you are an atheist, if you are whatever that you believe in, you are still welcome. We can talk about anything here. We can talk about what you believe in. I can talk about what I believe in. This channel is for everybody. It's not just a Christian channel. it's for everybody. It accommodates everybody. So we can discuss life stories, because on this channel, we are going to do these things. Number one, we are going to help the poor. Number two, we are going to also listen to other people's stories, just as you have listened to my story from Shelton and Charmaine. We are also going to hear Christian testimonies. We are also going to be doing daily vlogs. I'm also going to be telling you about my lifestyle, about my life, about how I was raised, how I grew up. Whatever that comes in my mind, I'll be telling you. I'm going to be also doing vlogs of maybe walking vlogs in the malls. I'm going to drive around Cape Town showing you beautiful places in Cape Town. So there's a lot of things that we are going to be doing here. It's not only going to be Bible-based channel, because I want to accommodate everybody. So kindly let me know what brought you here. If you are a Christian, let me know in the comment section. Should I tell you what made me a Christian? I wasn't a Christian, you know. I used to run away from Christians when I see them, because I didn't want to hear anything. When I see preachers, especially Jehovah's Witnesses, they would come to my house. Whenever I see that Jehovah's Witness guy coming to my house, they would come always every Saturday. And whenever he would come, I would run into my house and lock the door. And I would remove the key from the door so that when he peeps through the keyhole to see if I'm inside, he won't see the key and he would think maybe this guy is not here. So I would run away from them. And if I was playing music or watching a movie, I would switch it off and act as if I'm not there until they go. So I was that kind of a person who was debating Christians, actually. So if you are at that position where you are debating Christians, I was at that position and I was at that point. So I'm not going to condemn you. I'm going to welcome you and explain to you how I ended up becoming a Christian. Maybe this is what you also need to hear. So like I said, on this channel, we welcome everybody. Thank you for your support. But my passion is to help the less privileged, the poor, the widows, the orphans. That is my passion. That is what you are going to see on this channel. Soon as this channel is monetized and I'm earning from this channel, you're going to see more videos of me helping less privileged, helping the poor. And I know the pain of widows. Grew up as an orphan and I know the pain of orphans. So those are the people I want to help. Those are the people I want to go for. So that is the main reason for this channel. So if you are here, I know if you are a Muslim, an atheist, a Pan-Africanist, a Christian, I know you would love to see me help people. And that is what I'm passionate about. And that is why this name, Peter's Passion, came from. Because my passion is to show you what I can do. Because I remember one day when I was young, I had a dream. And I'll never forget this dream. A man came into my dream. I think I was about 10, between 10 and 15. That's one dream I never forget in my entire life. A man came into my dream and he told me, you will become great. You will be a great person. So I grew up with that in my mindset. And I didn't know how I was going to become great. But I think I'm beginning to see how is it going to happen. I had no clue how was it going to happen. But I'm sure this is it. This is it. And how am I going to be great? By helping the poor. Even God would consider me great if I help the poor. I don't think God would consider me great because I'm rich. But God would consider me great because I am helping the poor. So it is my passion. And some of you who are here, who are supporting me, I promise you, I'm going to remember you. I'm going to remember you when I'm up there. Come back to me and say, I was there with you. I'm going to remember you. Trust me, I'm that kind of a person. I am that kind of a person who enjoys helping. You have no idea what I've been through, what I've been doing. Even before the camera, I've been helping. You know, let me tell you a story of how I have helped some people. I remember some time ago, I was selling phones. And I looked at this lady who didn't have a phone. And I was selling a phone. Because that time she had just arrived from Zimbabwe, new in South Africa. So she was looking for a job, but she did not have a phone. Even when she could go and drop CVs, they wanted phone numbers. She gave them phone numbers, but she didn't have the phone. So I felt bad. And I said, I'm selling phones and this lady is looking for a phone. I'm telling you, I gave her the phone. And I gave her the phone. And she wasn't the only one I gave the phone on that day. I gave also someone else that was there. Because I had about, I think, 3 phones. I gave away those 3 phones the same day. The phones that I was selling. So I'm that kind of a person who enjoys helping. I enjoy it. I don't do it to be seen, but I enjoy it. So whenever you see me do it, just know I'm doing what I enjoy. And it's my passion. There's a lot of things that I did. Even when I became a Christian, I remember I understood about tithing, but I didn't have a church back then. I became a Christian not because somebody preached to me. So I didn't have a church. I was just praying in my house, reading the Bible and all that. And I understood about tithing. You know what I would do? I would take my tithe, my 10%. I would look for the poor, even the homeless. Drive around and look for the homeless and give each and every one of them 50 rand, 100 rand, 50 rand, 100 rand until my 10% is finished. Even I was an Uber driver then, and I'm still an Uber driver. But people, sometimes I would do that with a client, and the client would not understand why I'm giving somebody a 50 rand and the trip is 50 rand. Why I'm giving somebody 100 rand and the trip that the client is paying was less than 100 rand. So that is going to be the main purpose of this channel, helping the poor. But of course, I'm going to bring you nice stuff, nice and quality stuff. But as I grow with you, help me focus on one thing, help me and tell me what content do you think I should give you guys. As you know me now, what is it that you think I am good at? Let me know in the comment section, and I would like to know all those things so that I can give you the best of me. I don't want to end up offending your hearts, your kind hearts. I appreciate you for all that you do, and I appreciate you for subscribing. I appreciate each and every one of you here. Thank you so much. With that, ladies and gentlemen, it's a goodbye for now.